Magandang dilag, puso ko'y umabihag. Wala nang ninanais, ligaya kang langit. Oh, magandang dilag. Bawat lakad mo, lahat sila napapatingin. Di mawari, ba't ganun ang nangyayari sa akin? Isang ngiti mo lang parang nakakabaliw. Ano ba ang ginawa mo? Pinaaaliw. Naanaw na para bang isang tala sa gitna ng kalawakan. Oh, magandang dilag, puso ko'y umabihag. Wala nang ninanais, ligaya kang langit. Oh, magandang dilag. Oh, magandang dilag, puso ko'y nahalina.
Dahan-dahan! Ano yun, guys? Open, girl! Open! Open! Ano sa mo na yan? Kasi mas umulan. Ay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy Dahil 22 ka na! 22! Ay! Okay lang ko lang. Dalawang ano? Ano ang hawakan? Ano ba yan? Hawakan niyo na! Hawakan niyo na! Pinanap ko yan para sa'yo! Kaya na gusto ni mother! Kaya meron ka suraran. At syempre may chocolate! May cake ka pa! Ala! Ate, sino ka siya? Ay, hawak ka! Okay, Mami! Mami, para si Mami! Si Mami! Si Mami! Ay! Yung cookie sana! Sana all! Mami! Sana all! Ito sa inyo, Mami! Binigay na ate!
Everyone is equal. Darkness turns to light, and the world is at peace. This miracle God gave to me gives me strength when I am weak. I find reason to believe in my daughter's eyes. And when she wraps her hand around my finger, oh, it puts a smile in my heart. Everyone becomes a little clearer. I realize what life is all about. It's hanging when your heart is had enough. It's giving more when you feel like giving up. I see the light in my daughter's eyes. In my daughter's eyes, I can see the future, a reflection of who I am and wanna be. Though she'll grow and someday leave, maybe raise a family. When I'm gone, I hope you see how happy she made me.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Isa pa. Happy birthday to you. Doon ka sa tabi niya, Ading Cohen.
Dearest Agana,
Okay.
happy 22nd birthday, anak. You are my biggest blessing and my greatest achievement. You are my pride. Papa and I are so proud of you. Proud of the strong, beautiful, intelligent woman you've become. Keep going strong and try not to stray. Everything you've been praying for is on its way. Never give up on your dreams. I have the confidence in you that you will never let us down. Can't wait for that day that you will become a full-fledged doctor. You are not just my daughter, but my best friend too. I will always believe in you. If you need my shoulder to rest, do not forget that I am here for you. You are a fighter and continue to be one. I love you so much, anak. You're my priority all these years and will always be. No matter how hard my life gets, I hope life rewards you abundantly as you are the best and only. Deserve the best things in life. My prayers are always with you. May God will always guide you.
Tissue.
May God will always guide you. I love you and miss you so much. Our future doktora. Love, Mama.
Wow! Ayan, ayan. Ano masasabi niyo sa message ng iyong mama? Kailangan talaga. Siyempre, atin ko. Ano masasabi mo kay mama?
I love you.
I love you! Speechless si ate! Oh, tinatawanan ka na ni mama! Ayan! Ano pa message kay mama?
Sana sinabi mo hindi ako nagmaskara.
Ayan!
Mami, surprise!
Ayan! Ito binigay na ate po. Ito po sa inyo at Lola, ha? Ang message niya po. I'm Merry Christmas, Mommy! Take care always. We love you from Eman and Rhea. Okay? Ayan. Masaya! Masaya, Mother and Agana! Na-surprise ka, no? Kahit na late si ate. Ay, ate, sorry. Ayan. So,
Kanina pa kayo natin
kahit di na alam Agana! Ayan, okay. In behalf of MHC Flower Shop and Partiness, thank you, Ma'am Reyna from Hong Kong! Thank you sa pag-intindi sa akin kahit na nalito ko lang ito. Sorry, nagpipilik pa ako talaga. Ayan, thank you, Agana and Mami, at sa lahat po na nandito, i-video mo nila sa kanilang pamilya. Ayan! Maraming salamat po sa pagtanggap at pagsundo sa akin ni ate! Thank you!
Hello, Ghana. How are you? Happy, almost technically birthday. I hope you have a fantastic birthday with a lot of cake and everything good. So, happy birthday.
Ay nak, maligayang karawan. Wala man kami ngayon. Sa kainan nyo ngayon, sana mag-enjoy ka sa handa mo. Wish namin ni Mama, tuloy lang yung nasimulan mo. At mag-aral ka mabuti para matupad mo maging doktora ka na. Nandito lang kami sumusuporta sa iyong pangarap. Ingat ka lagi dyan. Mahal na mahal ka namin ni Mama. At I love you. God bless.
Hello Agana! Happy birthday anak! Wish ko sa'yo na sana matupad mo lahat ng pinapangarap mo sa buhay. And sana napasaya ka namin sa simpleng video greetings na to. And magpakabait ka lagi. Alam ko namang mabait ka na. At gusto kong malaman mo na proud kami sa'yo. So hindi ko nakahabaan yung message ko. Baka ako'y maiyak pa dito. Basta i-maintain mo yung kaseksihan mo ha, para parehas tayo. Di ba? O ayan. So once again anak, happy birthday. I love you so much. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, anak! Surprise! O, di ba sabi ko sa'yo, you don't need a boyfriend para may mag-surprise sa'yo. But then, hindi ko alam kung na-surprise ka nga ba or in-expect mong gagawin namin to sa'yo. Anyway, happy birthday. I wish na matupad mo lahat yung pangarap mo. Go on with all your dreams. Susuportahan ka namin. Alam ko na hindi mo kami bibiguin, and alam namin na matutupad mo lahat ng wish mo. Just let God be the center of your life, and He will direct you to the right path. I love you so much, anak. I miss you, and ingat kayo lagi ni Mami. Again, happy birthday.
Magandang dilag, puso ko yung nabihag.